all and welcome. Today is a very exciting day. My team and I have been working very hard, especially with coronavirus going around, on trying to help small businesses, not only our existing customers, but any existing or any new customers that might want to come on board. And that is about video conferencing. So we have now embedded the ability for our practitioners to do video conferencing from their appointments. So if you've been used to face-to-face appointments, let's go and take a quick demo. So the first one is for existing customers. This is all dummy data, but for existing customers, if you have appointments already in the system, I'm just going to show you how to update them to get your own unique video link. So when you click edit on your appointment, the only thing that you need to do is click video appointment, and you'll see down here there's a link that automatically gets populated. This is a unique link for this appointment only, and the only thing that you need to do is click save. And I think it was this one. And then you can copy and paste this link or email it to your client. And as soon as they click the link and you click the link at the appointment time, it will open up in a browser and you'll be able to start your video consult immediately. Now for a brand new appointment, the only thing that you need to do is book your appointment as per normal. So I'll just do this real quickly. Make it the 25th of the 3rd, 2020. Make it for 10 a.m. Okay, and the only thing you need to do is select video appointment, and there's your link that comes up automatically, and then click submit. And then obviously go into your appointment and again copy and paste this link to your client. And for your ease, you can just click on this link and it will open up into a new browser, and you'll be able to start your video consult. So hopefully this can help. We're wanting to help as many practitioners as possible to be able to perform their video consults and to maintain their small business up and running. So if you know anybody or you feel that this might be of use, feel free to get in contact with us or sign up on our website. Thanks a lot.